This is my 1952 Ariel Square 4, which I restored about 20 years ago. The whole machine went through an extensive restoration process, the engine being completely restored, all the paintwork was redone professionally, all chrome was re-chromed, and the tank was then lined with gold leaf, as was the original tank, which I found underneath several layers of somewhat dubious red paint. So I'd carefully traced the original pattern and got a local sign writer to reproduce it in gold leaf paint. The rear suspension set up on these machines are known as anti-plunger suspension units, which give a very, shall we say, unique feel to the handling. The unique handling features, combined with an engine of approaching 1000cc and a top speed of approaching, if not just over 100 miles an hour, makes it a very interesting and somewhat thrilling ride. It's a beautifully smooth engine, extremely quick acceleration for its day, and certainly if you get the opportunity to ride one, treat it with care, but they are a beautiful, soft machine.